Hi, so I had someone ask how to connect your Google Classroom and your Canvas page. So I thought I would make a quick tutorial on that. So you're going to open up your Canvas page and it's going to open up to your dashboard page. I'm going to use my test course. So I'm going to click in my test course. And let's say I want to embed it on my home page. So I'm going to click Edit. And just ignore that. Yours shouldn't pop up with it. And I'm going to add a Google Classroom page that I want it to go to. So I'm going to make a spot that says Google Classroom. Now, I need to get that Google Classroom page. So I have, let's say, 7 Google Classrooms. I'm going to say Google Classroom period 1. I have my Google Class page open. I'm going to find my period 1. I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to go back to my dashboard page. I'm going to highlight Google Classroom that I just wrote, and I'm going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to find my hyperlink and click on external links. And then I'm going to paste my link and click done. Now, because this is nothing like a Google Drive, you actually have to save. We went back to the dark ages in that one, and I'm going to click save. Now, when I go to this and I click Google Classroom period 1, this link will take me straight to the Google Classroom page. So that is how you are going to make a Google Classroom page on your Canvas page. You will need to make one, a separate hyperlink for every single class period that you link up with Google Classroom. So if I have 7 Google Classrooms, I will need 7 of these hyperlinks.